Good morning, children. I hope you all are doing well. Children, do you know what helps a bird to fly? A bird flies by flapping its wings up and down. When the wings move upward and backward, the movement of the wings is called upstroke movement. And when the wings move downward and forward, the movement of the wings is called downstroke movement. Children, do you know there are some birds like pigeons, cranes, and crows that can fly very long distances, whereas birds like hens and cocks can fly only short distances and they usually walk. Vultures, eagles, and kites are the birds that can fly up to great heights, whereas sparrows and bulbuls can fly up to low heights in the sky. So we can easily see sparrows and bulbuls flying in the sky. Children, there are some birds like kiwi, penguin, emu, and ostrich that cannot fly because they are heavy in weight and we call them flightless birds. Children, do you know ostrich is the fastest running bird but it cannot fly? There are some birds who move from one place to another in search of food to avoid unfavorable or bad weather conditions or to breed. Breed means give birth. They fly thousands miles across land and sea. These long seasonal journeys by the birds are called migrations. Migration means going from one place to another. There are some birds like cranes, geese, and flamingos that migrate to India. Children, birds do not have teeth like us. They eat their food with the help of their beak. They use their beaks to pick up and eat food. Like we have nostrils to breathe, similarly, birds also have nostrils which they use to breathe. Different birds have different kinds of beaks because they eat different kinds of food. So let's study about the different kinds of beaks of birds. Some birds like sparrows, pigeons, weaver birds and peacocks have short, hard and pointed beaks so that they can easily crack nuts, seeds and crush grains. Vultures, owls, hawks, and eagles have strong, sharp, and hooked beaks so that they can easily tear the flesh of other animals. Children, most of you must have seen a parrot. A parrot has a hooked beak for cracking nuts, grains, and for eating the fruits. A woodpecker has a strong and heavy and pointed beak which helps it to make holes in the trunk of the trees and to pick up insects for their food. Hoopoe and woodpecker have same kind of strong and heavy beaks because they eat same kind of food. Ducks and geese are the water birds and have flat and spoon like beaks with holes on either side. These birds take in muddy water with insects, worms, and plants. The water flows out through the holes in the beak, leaving the insects and worms in the beak. So, children, I hope so you all are able to understand the topic. Thank you.